Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, May 10th. We're seeing some mostly sunny skies out there here on the main base, but that fog is sticking around over on the island this morning. We do anticipate that fog to clear off as we go into the late morning hours across the island, remaining mostly sunny to partly cloudy for much of the day across the Wallops area before we see some showers and thunderstorms near sunset this evening. Taking a look at our conditions across the mid-Atlantic from yesterday, we did see another day of some low cloudiness across the area for a portion of the day yesterday, and you could see some areas, the areas that saw those low clouds across the tidewater here at Wallops did see some cooler temperatures, mainly hovering in the upper 60s. Areas that saw some full sun yesterday, we did see those much warmer temperatures near the nation's capital, which was around 80 degrees, and Richmond, which was 80 degrees as well. We did see some mild lows this morning, around 50 degrees for many locations. Up in our nation's capital near Pax River was a bit warmer with low near 60. Taking a look at our conditions as of 9 a.m. across the area, we are seeing a much warmer day across the region today as we have a more south to southwesterly flow developed across the mid-Atlantic. That has led to temperatures in the upper 60s for many locations as of 9 a.m. under partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies for many areas. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we are seeing south to southwesterly winds at the surface. Just above the surface, those winds are southwesterly at that 1,000 foot level, and then turning more westerly between the 3,000 and 9,000 foot levels. Still seeing some fairly calm winds as we go aloft, though, only hovering around 15 knots as we go all the way up through the entire column of 25,000 feet, and we are seeing that flow become zonal above 16,000 feet. Our freezing level this morning is just below 12,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis, you can see that high pressure developed off the southeast coast, and that has contributed to us getting that southerly to southwesterly flow across the area, helping to usher in that warmer air mass across the region. You can see that we are going to be having a front there that's, as the 12Z was depicted just west of the Appalachians. That's going to slowly move eastward as we go through the afternoon this evening, and then as we get that weak surface trough passing the area near sunset, we are going to be looking at a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Taking a look at our forecast planner here, we are going to be seeing that shortwave move across the area around sunset, which is about when this map is centered on, and that is going to be sparking those showers and thunderstorms. We are going to be seeing the chance for a little bit of a stronger shower or storm up towards the Salisbury area, and then those storms will be just slightly weaker as they make their way down the Wallops, but still looking at about a 50% chance of seeing some lightning and heavy rain as that front moves past the area this evening, and then after about 10 p.m. those showers should clear out of the area, becoming partly cloudy to mostly clear as we go into the overnight hours into early Friday morning. When we go into Friday morning, we are going to be seeing those winds kind of relax a little bit, so there is a slight chance, about less than 20%, of seeing some patchy ground fog as we go into the morning, but it does look like less chance than we saw this morning. And any fog that does develop should burn off by about 8 a.m. tomorrow. For tomorrow afternoon, we are going to be seeing some weak high pressure build over the area. That's going to lead to a very pleasant day across the region with highs in the mid-70s under partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. And then going into our Saturday, we are going to be having that front lift north, so that we saw in the previous slide. And then we are going to see some more southerly winds for much of the day Saturday. That front that's currently depicted is a little bit too far south, I think, on this map. It is going to be north of the Wallops area, so we are going to be seeing some south to southwesterly winds throughout the day on Saturday. That's going to be ushering in a very warm air mass across the region, coupled with some compressional heating with that front. We can be expecting temperatures here at Wallops to be in the low to mid 80s. And then as we see that front is going to slide down just a little bit south as we go into Saturday night into early Sunday morning, we are going to be looking at another chance for some showers and possible thunderstorms, as we're going to be having that unstable air mass from the day Saturday, and that front will provide a little bit of a focusing mechanism for some shower and thunderstorm development late Saturday night. Taking a look at our weather chart here, We are going to be seeing highs in the mid 70s today with a high of 77. Those temperatures are going to be pretty slow to increase throughout the day, but right before that front hits, those winds should shift a little more southwesterly, allowing a quick warm up to around 77 degrees in the mid to late afternoon hours. We are going to be looking at those winds running around 9 to 14 knots. We could be seeing some gustier winds as that line of showers and thunderstorms move through. So if we do see a wind advisory today, the only real chance of that being will be during that passage of that system. We could be seeing a very slight chance of some brief heavy rain as those showers and thunderstorms pass as well. And then after 10 p.m., that line will move east of the area, becoming partly cloudy to mostly clear as we go into early Friday morning. And like I mentioned, seeing that slight chance of some patchy fog develop with a low Friday morning of 61 degrees. We'll be seeing those winds shift more northwesterly as we go into early Friday morning as well, only running around 5 to 10 knots, and that'll help just keep our temperatures near seasonable levels for Friday. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to be still seeing some patchy fog out there, mainly just on the island as it's still pretty socked in over there, but we do anticipate those low clouds to clear out as we go later into the morning. And then as we go into the afternoon, going to be seeing a few lower level clouds near 5,000 feet and some mid-level clouds near 10,000 feet, as well as some thin cirrus clouds stream in, and that's going to be the main story as we go through the early afternoon hours. And then as that front begins to approach, we'll start to see those mid-level clouds increase a little bit near the 7,500 and 12,000 foot level, as well as continued upper level cirrus. We will see those ceilings become around 4,000 or 5,000 feet when those showers impact the area. Could be seen possibly a little bit lower than that if we get into some really intense thunderstorms briefly during that passage. And then after 10 p.m. when those showers clear the area, we'll see those skies slowly clear out, becoming just a few at that 4,000 and 7,000 foot level in the pre-dawn hours of Friday, as well as just some continued thin cirrus clouds. Taking a look at the next few days, Friday's going to be partly cloudy, just going to be seeing that very slight chance of some isolated patchy morning fog, mainly before 8 a.m. Looking at a high of 76 for Friday. Friday night, we're going to be looking at partly cloudy and seasonable conditions with a low of 58. And then Saturday, we're going to see that strong south to southwesterly flow develop across the region, giving us some very warm day with a high of 84 degrees. And then as we go later into the middle of the night between Saturday and Sunday, that's when we're going to be seeing a chance of those widely scattered showers and thunderstorms as that front drops a little bit south, giving a little bit of a focusing mechanism as we're going to have a pretty unstable air mass throughout the day Saturday due to those warm temperatures across the region. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast today, we're going to be seeing some fairly seasonable temperatures for today and tomorrow with those highs in the mid-70s. Saturday is going to be the warmest day in the forecast, it looks like, with a high of 84. And then I had mentioned those chances of showers and thunderstorms in the overnight hours between Saturday and Sunday. Then Sunday, it looks like that front is going to be pretty much stalled out over central portions of Delmarva. There's still a lot of inconsistency between the models exactly where that front's going to be end up and what its actual position is going to be, and that is going to have a big impact on any shower chances we get, as well as our temperature as well. It does look like we could be seeing another chance of some showers and thunderstorms Sunday afternoon as that front hangs out around the area, and then still a possibility on Monday of that stationary front hanging around the central Delmarva, but it does look like we are going to be getting some more easterly flow Sunday and Monday, and by Monday that easterly flow should cut off the instability enough. We're going to have some slightly cooler temperatures under mostly cloudy skies, so it doesn't look like we'll have as good of conditions for any shower activity, just some mostly cloudy skies for your Monday. And then as we go into Tuesday, we're going to see that front start to lift north of the area, ushering in those south to southwesterly winds yet again, giving us another warm up across the area. Temperatures will be near 80 Tuesday and Wednesday. And then as we continue to see some moisture being advected to the area, especially as we go into Tuesday night into Wednesday, we will be seeing a chance of some more summertime style classic pop-up storms as we're going to be getting some more moisture advection into the area for the middle of next week. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.